Whether you've installed high-quality tint for privacy, heat protection, or just to elevate the look of your ride, keeping those windows clean and streak-free is essential. But here's the problem. Not all glass cleaners are safe for tinted windows. Use the wrong one, and you could damage your tint, leave streaks, or create a hazy film that ruins visibility. Today we're breaking down the top 5 best car window cleaners for tinted windows, based on performance, tint safety, streak-free clarity, and real-world durability. Let's get started. All 5 cleaners in this list are ammonia-free, tint-safe, and highly rated by car owners and professional detailers. We'll start from number 5 and work our way to the best overall performer. Coming in at number 5, we have Armor All Auto Glass Cleaner, a budget-friendly option that delivers solid day-to-day performance. This one is great if you want something simple, effective, and easy to find. Armor All's formula is ammonia-free, making it safe for aftermarket and factory-tinted windows. It removes fingerprints, smudges, dust, and light road film without damaging the tint layer. While it doesn't have the deepest cleaning power compared to the premium picks on this list, it's a dependable cleaner for routine upkeep. If you want something affordable and safe for tint, this is a great starting point. At number 4 is Rain-X Auto Glass Cleaner, a well-known name in automotive care. What makes Rain-X stand out is its light water repellent benefit, giving you clearer visibility during rainy weather. It's still fully safe for tinted windows because it contains no ammonia and no harsh solvents. Instead, it provides a smooth, streak-free shine inside and out. If you drive in rainy or humid conditions, Rain-X gives you that extra edge by keeping water beads at bay. Just note that the water repellent effect is less intense than the full Rain-X treatments, but it's a nice bonus for a tint-safe cleaner. Number 3 goes to Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner, a product that has earned an outstanding reputation among car detailers. This cleaner is specifically designed to deliver a zero-residue, streak-free finish, which is exactly what tinted windows need. Invisible glass is completely free from dyes, soaps, fragrances, and ammonia, meaning it leaves absolutely nothing behind. It excels at removing greasy fingerprints, dust and interior haze, bug splatter, tough road film, smoke, and vape residue. If you want crystal clear windows with professional grade results, Invisible Glass is a strong choice. In the number 2 spot is Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. Meguiar's is a trusted name in detailing, and this product delivers high performance with deep cleaning ability. The Perfect Clarity formula is ammonia-free, tint-safe, and developed with anti-haze chemistry for a polished finish. It removes stubborn grime and film with ease, while reducing the chance of streaks, even in direct sunlight. What makes Meguiar stand out is the balance between strong cleaning power and gentle chemistry. It's one of the best choices for darker premium tint where clarity matters most. And finally, coming in at number 1 is Chemical Guy's Signature Series Glass Cleaner. This cleaner is widely considered the best overall tint-safe glass cleaner thanks to its professional-grade ammonia-free formula. This product works great on factory tint, aftermarket tint, ceramic tint, and even privacy glass. It wipes away contaminants effortlessly. Fingerprints, dirt, dust, oily residue, and leaves a razor-sharp, streak-free finish. What truly sets Chemical Guys apart is its balance of powerful cleaning with zero harsh chemicals. It's strong enough for pro detailers, but gentle enough for everyday car owners. If you want the highest clarity, the best streak-free performance, and complete safety for tinted windows, this is the top pick. So here's the breakdown. Best budget. Armor All best for rainy conditions. Rain-X best streak. Free clarity. Invisible glass. Best deep cleaning power. Meguiar's best. Overall. Chemical Guys Signature Series. Each of these cleaners is fully safe for tinted windows and tested for clarity, performance, and ease of use. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive reviews, car care tips, and gear breakdowns. Drop a comment below letting me know which cleaner you're using or if you want recommendations based on your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and keep your ride looking sharp.